At the same time, the energy business is humming. This is something that if we went back, 7 years ago, no one gave any credit to. It now has, good margin, arguably better margin going forward than the auto business and growing at a faster clip. And then, then you start getting into AI. Lots of skepticism around that, but that's good for the setup, to be contrarian around that. But Tony has said in the past, how are you going to get to these volumes with just the models that are out there? He was right about that. He asked that on the call, maybe a year ago. But I do think that, for patient investors, there's upside when we start getting to this next model, which will be, a mass market vehicle, and really what Tesla has been working.
Meanwhile, the energy industry is booming. When we looked back 7 years ago, nobody gave this any recognition. It is currently growing at a quicker rate and has good margins, possibly better margins than the auto industry in the future. When you start talking about AI, there is a lot of skepticism, but Tesla should be wise to take a contrarian stance on that. How are you going to get to these volumes? Is something Tony has already said. He was correct when he said that there are models available. He may have requested the call a year ago, but I do believe that there will be benefits for patient investors when we get to the next model, which will be a mass market car, and essentially what Tesla has been aiming for since its founding. The most important question on everyone's mind is whether Tesla's stock will soar to a record-breaking $300 or plummet sharply to $150. Come along as we delve into the insightful analysis of Tony Sagek and other industry professionals and get first-hand knowledge from a former Tesla board member. Their viewpoints provide insight into the complex web of Tesla's market dynamics. Not only that, but Dan IES made an incredible discovery that simply cannot be described. What could possibly affect one of Tesla's most devoted supporters so profoundly? And there's an important message from the Tesla boardroom for all of you Tesla enthusiasts and shareholders. What does this signify for your investments in Tesla's future? Here on Tesla Stock News, get ready for an exciting voyage into the center of the company's most recent advancements and controversies by fastening your seatbelt, clicking the subscribe button, and getting ready. The voyage into Tesla's future commences presently. The recent performance of Tesla's stock has drawn interest from investors and market analysts globally, igniting a contentious discussion about the company's future course. Divergent perspectives that range from cautiously pessimistic to confidently bullish provide a nuanced picture of Tesla's financial situation and future growth prospects. On the one hand, analysts like Tony Seek predict a decline, estimating that the stock value will decrease significantly to approximately $150. This viewpoint is a result of worries about the current market value of Tesla, the escalation of competition, and possible changes in consumer tastes and technological advancements. Tesla's stock price may need to be reevaluated, according to critics who view the business more as a traditional automaker than as a technological innovation and suggest that it may be overvalued. However, other analysts, like Ben Kalau, have a more upbeat forecast, predicting that the stock would rise as high as $300. This viewpoint's proponents point to Tesla's ongoing innovation, its leadership in the electric vehicle industry, and its forays into previously uncharted territories like AI and energy storage. They contend that Tesla is well positioned for future growth because of its distinct leadership position in both the technology and automotive sectors, as well as its ambitious initiatives including the creation of autonomous driving technology and the Tesla bot. The company's production goals, profitability, and Elon Musk's management style have all come under fire, which has affected the stock price variations. On the other hand, Tesla has also accomplished a number of noteworthy firsts, such as persistent advancements in battery technology, market expansion, and an increasing footprint in renewable energy solutions. Government subsidies for electric vehicles, EVs, the growing public awareness of environmental issues, and the increasing focus on sustainable transportation might all work to Tesla's advantage. On the other hand, the business also has to deal with difficulties like supply chain interruptions, rivalry from both new and established EV manufacturers, and the unpredictability of technical advancement. Tesla's Q4 financial announcement has sparked a wave of responses, highlighting the company's position at the forefront of the global conversation. Along with highlighting Tesla's noteworthy accomplishments, this important report raised a number of issues that have alarmed investors. We'll examine Tesla's changing growth story as well as how a mix of speculative and real-world information constantly shapes market opinions as we analyze these worries. The debate over Tesla's fundamental identity, is it a cutting-edge technology company or just an automaker, is at the center of the conversation. This argument goes beyond semantics to the core of Tesla's market worth and perception. Tesla's technological innovations and capacity to attract some of the most brilliant engineering minds have captured the attention of both analysts and investors. This feature presents Tesla as a cutting-edge tech business. Tesla's journey is not without difficulties, though. Despite having cash reserves of about $30 billion, the corporation is in the midst of a time where its gross margins are decreasing. The decision to strategically reduce prices in order to gain a larger share of the market and stave off competition has clearly affected profitability. Moreover, Tesla faces external pressures from the wider economy, including rising interest rates and ongoing difficulties in the supply chain, which complicate the company's operational and financial planning. These elements may have an impact on production costs, plans for international expansion, and ultimately investor confidence. Tesla's aggressive development plans and continuous efforts to strike a balance between growth and profitability only serve to exacerbate this financial complexity. Although promising, the company's forays into new markets and industry categories demand a substantial financial investment as well as strategic commitment. Managing investor expectations in a market where IT businesses are frequently valued more for their potential in the future than for their current profitability presents another difficulty. It is clear from analyzing Tesla's Q4 earnings and the market's responses that the company is writing its history in a setting that is capable of fast technology advancement, shifting consumer tastes, and a crowded EV market. Investors are purchasing not just stock in a business, but also a future in which Tesla is a key player. The challenge for Tesla, as we follow its development, will be to manage the volatility of the world economy while striking a balance between the thrill of its technological breakthroughs and the realities of its core car industry. Tesla's entry into the energy industry is quickly taking center stage in the company's growth story, demonstrating not just its financial strength but also its dedication to solving the urgent global problem of sustainable energy. The impressive growth this business has experienced year after year, it has surpassed even its automotive division, is evidence of Tesla's capacity for innovation and diversification beyond electric automobiles. Tesla's main energy storage product, the Megapack, has a sizable backlog of orders, which highlights the market's growing recognition of Tesla's important role in this industry. These advancements represent a strategic pivot for Tesla, establishing the company as a major player in the global shift to renewable energy sources in addition to being a pioneer in the automobile industry. Tesla is at a turning point in the history of car manufacturing. The company's capacity to sustain its growth pace in the face of escalating competition, especially from emerging companies like BYD, will be determined in the coming years. This rivalry is particularly intense in vital areas like China, which has turned into a battlefield for the supremacy of electric vehicles. Tesla made a risky decision by releasing a more reasonably priced $25,000 model in an attempt to appeal to a larger segment of the market and attract more customers. In order to keep up its market leadership and appeal to a market that the firm hasn't fully penetrated yet, Tesla needs to take this action. Furthermore, Tesla's ongoing research and development of autonomous vehicles, as well as its investments in this field, indicate essential components of its long-term plan. These developments aim to completely change how we view and interact with automobiles, not merely improve Tesla's product line. By eliminating the need for traditional car ownership and paving the way for the development of a more sustainable, effective, and networked mobility ecosystem, the successful application of autonomous driving technology and the establishment of a fleet of robotaxis have the potential to completely transform urban transportation. In addition, the accessibility of Tesla's robot taxis has the potential to revolutionize the industry. For those who are unable to drive, such as the elderly and those with disabilities, this technology may offer handy and reasonably priced transportation options. Tesla may be able to significantly contribute to the advancement of independence and social participation by improving mobility for these populations. Tesla's autonomous driving technology, when combined with its innovations in the energy industry, has the potential to redefine the benchmark for environmentally friendly transportation. Envision renewable energy-powered robot taxis, reducing carbon emissions and leaving a minimal environmental impact. Achieving a transportation ecosystem with zero emissions may need this integration. Furthermore, the information gathered by these driverless cars may offer insightful information about traffic patterns and urban planning, facilitating the creation of smarter, more effective city designs. The implementation of a data-driven approach has the potential to enhance public transportation route optimization, minimize road maintenance expenses, and facilitate emergency response planning. In addition to focusing on technological advancement, Tesla's vision for autonomous driving and robot taxis aims to make urban transportation safer, more intelligent, and environmentally friendly in the future. Tesla's approach to growth is multifaceted, as evidenced by its concentration on both growing its energy business and modernizing its automobile offerings. Tesla is offering solutions in the energy industry that have the potential to be extremely important in combating climate change and advancing energy independence, in addition to selling products. In the meantime, Tesla is redefining the fundamentals of both public and private transportation by pushing the bounds of technology in the automotive industry. We spoke to Steve Wesley, a former member of the Tesla board, about these points. His observations offer a distinct viewpoint on Tesla's present situation and upcoming strategic initiatives. He highlights that Tesla must strike a balance between its long-term revolutionary goal and the demands of the current market. Tesla has made a revolutionary change in its strategic orientation with its foray into the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence, best shown by the creation of the Optimus robot. This venture is a step forward in a future when robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, may completely alter industry standards, not just another technological achievement. The company's ambition and dedication to innovation are evident in Elon Musk's vision of the Optimus robot potentially exceeding Tesla's core business areas in terms of effect and revenue. Optimus development represents a step into unexplored area for Tesla and a move away from clean energy and electric cars. It is an investigation of the ways in which robotics can be incorporated into daily life and business, with the potential to completely transform industries like manufacturing, transportation, and even healthcare. Musk's vision for Optimus goes beyond simple functional robotics. It envisions a future in which robots fill labor shortages, enhance human talents, and carry out dangerous or impractical human activities. This audacious move also demonstrates Tesla's readiness to finance long-term, potentially revolutionary endeavors. It displays an awareness of the fact that genuine innovation frequently necessitates foraying into high-risk and speculative fields. With additional revenue streams and portfolio diversification, the success of Optimus might propel Tesla into a leadership position in the robotics and AI space. But there are many obstacles in the way of achieving this goal. Numerous companies are substantially investing in research and development in the extremely competitive and difficult sector of robotics and artificial intelligence. Furthermore, it is still unclear if society will accept such sophisticated robotics and how they will be used in practice. When developing and eventually deploying these robots, Tesla will have to deal with regulatory environments, technological challenges, and ethical issues. If Optimus is effective, it has the potential to completely transform not just Tesla's economic strategy, but also a wide range of other industries and social conventions. This endeavor is a blatant demonstration of Tesla's dedication to expanding the realm of possibility and advancing technology and its uses. As you can see, Tesla's story is a complex one filled with invention, difficulties, and conjecture. Tesla is constantly pushing the limits of technology and transportation, as seen by its aggressive ventures into energy, artificial intelligence, and robots, as well as its volatile stock prices that are impacted by the opinions of many analysts. Its ability to bounce back from both financial and operational setbacks, along with Elon Musk's inspiring leadership, make it a firm to keep an eye on in the changing global economy. Let's consider these last few questions as we close up. Will Tesla become anything more than an automotive firm as a result of its forays into the energy sector and advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. In the face of intensifying competition and changing consumer tastes, will Tesla continue to dominate the market? And how will the future of industry and technology be shaped by Tesla's avant-garde initiatives, such as the Optimus robot? Please leave your comments below. If you want to be informed about every development in Tesla's exciting adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Tesla Stock News, and enable notifications for more in-depth updates and analysis. I appreciate you seeing